Thank you for tuning in. This is Perry Kinney. This is our model, and as you can see, for our bleach and tone, we are going to work with some very thick, very good hair. There's a lot of underlying warmth in this hair, so we're going to start with a mixture, an on-the-scalp lightener and on-the-scalp bleach, and we're going to apply it starting an inch away from the scalp in all instances, and then up to but not including the last of the ends. Here is my mixture. Products I'm using in this instance are Chromastics. I will put a link in the description if you would like to look into them. I like to start in the back, work my way forward, wash it off without interfering with the next application of bleach. I will not cover it. I never cover it with a bag. That's a great way to burn the scalp. I never use 40 volume on the scalp. That's a great way to burn the scalp as well. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to work it on in really well. As you can see here, I stay off the scalp. I don't use any heat whatsoever, not under the dryer, nothing like that when doing global on the scalp lightening. Now, because I knew that I was going to put this on the cold shaft of the hair and not the regrowth, not the ends till later, I was planning on it sitting there at least for half an hour. That would cut the strength of that volume down to, well, actually this one sat for 45 minutes. It cut it down to approximately 15 volume. That made it very, very gentle. Also, you'll notice I'm using on the scalp lightener, never a powdered lightener on the scalp. That's just not a good idea. With all this bleach. This mixture is only put on the front area, the side area. Everything else really has been lightened already because of letting the other developer weaken, then applying it. This way, she's getting very little on her scalp. Now that I have the levels I want, I'm going to begin by using purple. And I'm going to apply the purple at the scalp, bring it on down, much as on the foil as I can to help prevent as much staining as I can. Then on the ends, I'm using I'm using magenta is what I'm using, a very bright red. And then I'm fading it into it with my brush, just ever so gently. We're really starting to see the deep purple at the scalp with the bright pink on the ends. The end result is going to be exceedingly vibrant. You'll have to let me know if you've ever done this kind of work before, or if you like this kind of work. And now remember, it can fade off tone, and that's because these are preformed dyes. They're semi-permanent dyes. They don't require peroxide to develop, but they penetrate the cortex because of their alkalinity.
So pit. That's so bright. Makes my eyes look like so pit.
It really makes them pop, huh?
Yeah. It's so cool.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about all things hair, please subscribe, join us, comment. Let us know what you'd like to see. Sure appreciate your taking the time to watch this. Give us a thumbs up if you'd like, and we'll see you later. Bye for now.